This is Channel 7 News at 10.
Well, good evening to you. Thanks for staying up late with us. We're going to begin tonight in Lonoke County, where a judge has dismissed the murder case of Aaron Spencer. Spencer is the man who shot and killed a suspected sexual predator after finding him alone at night with his missing teenage daughter. News that Spencer would be criminally charged sharply divided opinion here in Arkansas and around the country. But tonight, for now, his legal troubles appear to be over. Channel 7's Daniela DeHogany has covered this story from the beginning. She joins us now live in our studio with new details. Daniela.
Well, that's right, Chris. Today, Judge Ralph Wilson, in this 19-page opinion, dismissed the murder case against Aaron Spencer. So why did the case fall apart? According to the judge, it comes down to evidence that disappeared. It wasn't about what happened on October the 8th, 2024. It was about what happened afterward. Judge Wilson dismissed the case, pointing to a missing SD card from a dash camera inside the truck of 67-year-old Michael Fossler. Spencer's attorney argued that the lost evidence could have been critical to his defense and that the mishandling of it all made a fair trial impossible. And the judge agreed. This case drew national attention because of the circumstances. Fossler was facing felony sex crime charges involving Spencer's daughter when Spencer found the two of them alone late at night in Fossler's truck. Shots were fired, Fossler was killed, and Spencer was charged with second-degree murder. Spencer later wound up running for sheriff of Lonoke County, the agency that investigated the crime, and defeated the incumbent John Staley in the Republican primary. I sat down for an interview with Spencer in February, and this is what he had to say. Many are concerned that you took the law into your own hands. What do you have to say to that?
What I've heard a lot is the term vigilante, and I don't agree with that at all. I believe that I did what any good father would do in that situation that I was put in.
And in a statement sent to KATV, Spencer said, "I want to thank God, my wife, and my family, and I want to thank the people of Lonoke County who stood with us when it would have been easier to look the other way. I won't forget it." Spencer's attorney also added, "Today, the court did exactly what courts are supposed to do, protect the rights of the accused. No member of this family should ever again be forced to walk into a courtroom and relive this horror." I also spoke with Larry Benke, who's also in the running for Lonoke County Sheriff against Spencer. And here's what he had to say about the judge's ruling today.
There's some very serious failings of training, leadership, management, and oversight. So I think going forward, at least for me, is we need to address those in a professional manner and ensure that everyone involved in investigations understands how to properly investigate.
And we're continuing to review the judge's full ruling and update you on our website. That's KATV.com. On your side, I'm Daniela DeHogany.
Okay, Daniela, thank you. And you can read the judge's 19-page ruling for yourself. We have posted it with this story on KATV.com.